Hi, my name's Karen E. Wells, and I'm so glad that you've chosen to purchase this online Past Life Regression course. This course is absolutely full of all the techniques, healing modalities, scripts, and everything that you need to either help yourself or to be able to learn to take clients back into their past lives. If you think about it, we're all carrying around energy from all of our past lives, or maybe just a few, then that could stretch back 100, 200, 500, even thousands of years. So it's incredibly valuable healing work that you can either take yourself into or you can take clients into and help to heal those past lives. Imagine healing physical, emotional trauma from all of that time ago. Imagine shifting pain if it was possible to do that. Imagine bringing gifts that you had in the past back to this current life today. This course is full packed of techniques, healing modalities, scripts, and everything that you need to take somebody else or yourself into past lives. My own background is specializing in past life regression. It's really the only reason that I became a hypnotherapist. All the interest that I've ever had in my life has been about my own past lives or helping people to go back into their own past lives. I'm based here in the UK, but I have taught all over the world, teaching potential students that pass our courses with flying colours and then go on to do advanced subjects. The art of regression. It's so incredibly valuable and I'm so passionate about it. I know that you're going to absolutely love this course, and I'm so pleased that you've chosen to learn it with us. And I hope that you enjoy all the techniques and find every client that you take into or that you take into your own past life is incredibly humbling, valuable, and just incredible to witness as the therapist. So enjoy, and I'm going to see you on the rest of the modules in this past life regression course. Take care.